I'm Secretary of Ulster Colleges GAA, and I have been for the past 22 years. In addition to that, I'm the Chairman of Drumragh Sarsfields. I'm also the Development Officer in the club. I'm also the President of Carrickmore, which is my home club. I'm also involved at the Lion Schools level. My greatest achievement on the playing front, I think the 3 in a row with Carrickmore in 1977 to 79 inclusive. On the administrative front, particularly proud of my time as chairman of the CCC, and even prouder of the Transition Year Future Leaders scheme, which we started back in 2016 and which has mushroomed since that. Our community here in Drumragh, as in Carrickmore as well, is no different to 1,600 other communities on this island. And in every one of those cases, more than less, those clubs play a central role in their own community. They are much more than games oriented. I'm married into a football family. Teresa and I, our own family, have all been involved here. 2 of our daughters are involved in the committee, PRO and Ladies Secretary. And our son, Fiacra, he played here with the local club as well and with the school previously. Our daughter, Niamh, has been an outstanding player with Tyrone. She started with Tyrone seniors at the tender age of 15. She was fortunate enough to win 2 All-Stars en route in 08 and 2018. I'm delighted not just for myself, because one's involvement in the GAA is, you don't do it for personal reasons. It is to make that contribution to the GAA community and beyond it. So I was delighted at a personal level. I was also delighted for my family, who facilitate a tolerant wife and children who facilitate my involvement.
Comhghairdeas Uachtaráin Seamus Woods.